How you doing today, guys? EK Trader, Informed Trades Pro. It is now 9:36 a.m. on February 22nd, 2010. Just wanted to share this trade with you and share some analysis that I've been taking a look at on the EUR USD. What I have up is the Euro FX futures on a 1-hour chart, which is basically the futures product of the EUR USD spot market. Actually, this is my second trade of the day. I saw this particular volume spike here, so I went long. It went up, and when I was doing it, I was doing it on a 5-minute chart. It went up. I ended up getting stopped out. It turned around on me, and now I've decided to enter short based on this pin needle here, or up thrust, whatever you want to call it. I entered short here at 36.25 with my stop loss here at 36.36, or actually 36.37, which is one tick above this particular high. And now I'm just looking for the market to come down and hopefully pay me. Basically what made me take this trade is, as you can see, the volume kind of increased here, okay, but the market refused to go up. I mean, even here when I thought it was going up, it didn't go up, which for me is a further sign of weakness. Then right here on the hourly chart, I have high volume with the market closing at the lows, which is another sign of weakness. I entered on this candle here, and as this candle rose, I thought there might have been an opportunity. I was about to get stopped out, but now I'm even more convinced that I don't think it's going to happen, and this is probably going to turn out to be a very good trade. All I need to do is I need the market to break this particular supply level here, and there's going to be a lot of money to be made. So anyway, excuse me, demand level. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to pause the video, and I'll bring you guys back just as I'm about to close it out. Thanks for watching. How you doing, guys? EK Trader. I'm back. It is now 10:20 a.m. As you can see here, I've already moved my stop down past break even. I did get the results I wanted somewhat. Basically what happened here, as the market was going down, but as you can see here, another doji kind of stepped in. Even though the doji is slightly lower, but it's still a doji, and the doji is on higher volume. This automatically tells me that there's definitely some buying here. So actually I started to get out at this point, but then I decided to go ahead and just wait, give it a little more time, because normally I like to try to give moves maybe 2 to 3 bars to put me into profitability. As you can see here by this tail, this trade actually went way down and dipped into this particular demand zone here, which I knew it was there, and I kind of wanted to sit back and wait and see if it would cut through, since I was already into profitability. But the price action is telling me now, just based on the volume and based on the way price is moving, is that there's a lot of buying at this level. And depending on what happens over the next 30 minutes is most likely going to tell the direction of the day, whether it's going to be down or whether it's going to create a hammer pattern here and move up. I've already made back my loss, and I'm into profitability a little bit, so I'm probably going to go ahead and exit this trade. I kind of wish I would have got out down here. I was hoping it would probably break through this particular demand level, but right now I'm not optimistic about it. Plus, as I look at this demand level, you notice the volume that was in this level. I mean, that kind of just lets you know right there that there was a lot of activity there. There was a lot of trading. It went up, it went down. So it's too unpredictable to be able to tell what could possibly happen here. So in my situation, it's a lot easier just to go ahead and manage the trade and possibly just stop myself out of a trade. But in this case, stopping myself out with a profit. So I don't know, that's it. Just kind of wanted to share this analysis with you. I was hoping I could get a little more out of this, but like I said, and this is another thing, I want you guys to know. I know a lot of you guys, at first sight, you would look at this and just automatically assume, well, EK Trader, look at the downside you have. There's not another support level until you get here. I know that's the way a lot of you guys think, but sometimes you have to look back further. Sometimes you may have to look back another day, maybe another 2 days, and see where a large congestion of orders have taken place, because a lot of times those can stop your moves dead in their tracks. So then, as a trader, you always have a decision to make. Do I take what the market's giving me now, or do I stay in the game and risk the market turning around on me and stopping me out? So letting your winners ride isn't always as easy as it may sound. Anyway, I want to go ahead and continue to manage the trade, and I just want to wish you guys well, happy trading. Thanks for watching.